Oh, can't go in that way. Coach, did you just long haul us? I sure did. Now you gotta pay. I long hauled the crap out of you. All right, one moment here. One of my favorite games. Guess the airplane coming up. Difference this time is we can't tell they're coming because there's no lights on them. We can watch the airport from here. All these planes are taking off, coming in, leaving. All these folks going home. The new people arriving. I'm gonna stand underneath this palm tree right here. Be nice and shaded. What we got? There goes a jet. Taking off. Got a Southwestern over there. Or Southwest, not Southwestern. One moment here as I get set up with the gimbal. Bear with me. Alright, here we go. Here comes our first jet. Which one is this here? What do you got? What's your guess? It's got a blue tail. Blue tail on it. It's Alaska Airlines. Here we go. Hey, Alaska. It's Johnny Cash on the tail. Got a Southwest there queued up, ready to take off. There we go, we're gimbaled up now. Got another one, you can see a reflection way off. At nighttime we get to see the lights. Let's investigate airplanes. How often they take off, how they land, which direction they go, what color are they? All important things to find out here on Las Vegas Private Eye. Southwest lining up. Got a Delta over there getting ready to come over. See Las Vegas off in the distance there when you're landing. If you're on the A, B, and C side, you get to see it if you're coming in from California. If you're coming in the other way, it's the D, E, F side of the seats. There he goes. Thanks for leaving your money. See you next time. Might want to see a doctor about the itch. Delta's next in the takeoff sequence. Our guy coming in here low. Lights are on, wings are level, flaps are down. It's going back and forth, kind of rocking it. Got a rocking pilot. Here we go. Get your guesses in. What airline do you think this is? Coming in right on top of us. This is got a blue front. I'm guessing Southwest. Or it could be JetBlue. Could be JetBlue cheese. He's leveling it off. It is Southwest. There we go. Is it all blurry? It looks blurry to me. Hold on here. Hold on, everyone. Hold on. Is that no longer blurry? I can't read the chat because of the sunshine behind me, so let me go find some shade and see what you guys are saying. There's Delta going to take off. There goes Delta. There's an Allegiant Air over there. I think it was blurry. I apologize. We have a Delta. We have an Alaska. That was the Alaska we saw on the other side. And then an Allegiant. Different colored Allegiant. Lots of bags flying up in the sky. I'm going to walk across. I really can't read the chat, and I'm very, very sorry. Does it say I can't go across? I don't think so. Go in the middle here. Just stand by all the cones. That'll be a safe place. You see all the air disturbance here with all those bags flying up and down over there? All right, go Alaska. You're supposed to wait like 2 minutes between each one. You're good to go, Alaska. So we can see through the screen here. Or not, too close. All right. Allegiant is next. Don't forget our trespass warning. It's NRS 207.200. So I can't be... Son of a... Sorry, everyone. All right, gimbal's out. We can't be within 4 feet of this fence. Damn heat. Brought my own filter. What are we waiting on here? There's a United. Qantas. That's Qantas coming over. Then a United. Let's see what it's going to take for me to get back level. Back-to-back Uniteds. Got a private jet going off over here. I'm making my way back across the street. It seemed like a good idea to be here, but in actual retrospect, not the greatest idea. Yes, I'm jaywalking, but I'm safely jaywalking. Las Vegas, all that way. It'd be a great place for a sign that says, "Welcome to Las Vegas." Another jet off in the distance. Allegiant is up in the way. Go ahead. First of 2 Uniteds back to back coming through. We'll wait for the traffic to clear. Let's look at it from the view between traffic cones. Let's investigate this view. There we go. A sea of traffic cones. Once they get up, they're curving off to the left or the right, getting out of the pattern. So the next plane's going to land or take off. Way down there. Must be heavy. There he's up. He's up and at him. Here comes our next one right on the top of us. Southwest Airlines. Very cool. And then there goes that guy. One right after another. It's a busy day at the airport. It's like 5 leave for everyone that's arriving right now. We also have some planes landing from that direction as well. All right, let's make our way back across. can. We'll go after the white car there. I'm gonna have to run. It's gonna have to be physical labor here to run across. Here goes the Delta. Go ahead, sir. Which way are you going? I'm gonna go around you so you don't have to stop. There we go. Thanks for watching. Got back-to-back planes coming in. It's Discount Monday coming into Vegas. Helicopters. It's a red one. You see the Delta going around that way. Oh, that was United. Here's the Delta. So if you're watching from around the world and you're having a friend or family member or someone you know take off right now, these might be one of their planes. There goes the Delta. Gunning it. Right behind it, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 planes coming in from that direction, and one on the ground. They haven't been taken off this way. Must just be landing that way. Here's a Spirit. I can tell by the yellow front. Spirit Airlines coming in. $6 for a seat. Something like that, give or take. Coming in low. Coming in low. Coming in hot. Welcome to Vegas, everybody. Fantastic. And smoky touchdown right there. Had a Delta land and a Delta take off at the same time. You can see it coming in. I don't know if you can see down that way. That's touching down over there where we normally watch. All lined up. Get this Delta up in the air. It's one of those tiny 737s. There he goes. Someone was asking the other day, could you help me find my missing Tostitos lid? It was for some salsa, and it was mild salsa. And I've had my eye out the whole time. As one of our investigative techniques is you have to be very observant. And so it's the case of the missing Tostitos salsa lid, and it's specific to the mild size, not the medium that you find everywhere in the world. It has to be the mild one, and I think we found it. It's the chunky one too. It's mild and chunky. So, case closed. Yet another solved mystery right here. Las Vegas Private Eye. Ooh, what were they drinking? They had Jameson. They had the good stuff over here today. Or whenever was they drinking. Wow, there's still some in there too. Look at that, they left some in there. There's a little swallow in there. I'm sure that's good. What goes better with whiskey? Wild caught Starkist. This place has everything. There's a big American airliner. Getting ready to take off. Got another plane coming in. What do you got here? Get your guesses in. JetBlue, Southwest, Alaska, United, American, Qantas, Eastern. Got a little bit of crosswind. You can see the way they're flapping back and forth as they come in. Looks like JetBlue. United. We got United. Awesome. Happy Memorial Day, everybody. Nothing more American than flying. That American, is it going to stop? He's turning hot. So he's just going to keep going. He's got clearance. He's going to queue up. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Move that bus. American queuing up. Just going to roll into go. Roll and go. They save gas that way. Or jet fuel. Not going to roll and go. Queuing it up. All right, he's got to sit there for a minute. Is that a full stop or California stop? Cranking up the engines. There we go. It's a brief pause. Oh, if you guys need a water, I can get it from this guy right here. It's the water guy from the strip. Oh, water down. Oh, and another one, Southwest coming in at the same time. So much action here. Missed that one. I didn't hear it till it was on top of us. How's everyone doing on a Monday? Let me get my eyes back in order here. Get some glasses on. Apparently I work in a place that has no fun departments. The higher ups don't want any fun. Where you're at right now? Wow. Is an ice storm, or landed in an ice storm once, super scary? Yes. I took off from Memphis in an ice storm one time. They had to de-ice us 3 different times. That was scary. Go that way. Just have to go all the way around. Nice golf course here behind the Jack in the Box. It's the 18-hole Jack in the Box golf course. Everyone filling up with last-minute gas to return their cars or to drive to California at the super low price of $5.39 over here. Private jet coming in hot. No turn, no U-turn here. I have to go up. Got a full U-turn going on up here. There's the ice guy, water guy. Loon turn time here on Sunset. Oh, you got a back tire. That's sweet. Souped up moped. Time for the strip, Las Vegas Strip, on a holiday Monday. Come by and see if Elvis is performing. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so. Hit that subscription button, get notifications when we go live on this channel and or Cash or Crash Las Vegas Live. On our way to 1,000 subscribers here. 4,000 hours of viewing, then we can crank into the YouTube system. Much easier, much quicker to do the live streams. Right now we're doing the Prism or the Streamlabs, either one. Seem to be semi-working. Your attention please, Vegas will be closing in 30 minutes. Please make your final purchases. It's Elvis! Elvis! You guys don't have to wait in line, you can just walk up there. It's open to everyone. Take your time though. Camera people make them wait in line so they can take their picture and charge them. need to go to the Pinball Hall of Fame with someone who can film while I play, and I can film while they play. It would suck to go by yourself, in my opinion. In my opinion. Favorite McDonald's over here. Appreciate y'all being here on a Monday. Join us tonight. We'll be live on Fremont again. Cash or Crash Las Vegas Live. We'll do that as the sun starts to go down, closer to 8 o'clock. That way we can be there for the bands. Last night, Starship performing. Got to see a couple of their ditties. Sparky Tuttle, too, came over from your other channel. It's great to see you drive around in my hometown. Born here in 55, can't find the way out. Exactly. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Where is the Strat, Devet? We'll try to find that for you. I missed not having a wrench and not being a mod on this channel, too. Well, I don't know I can do it on Streamlabs. I have to do it on the other one. Let me see if I can do it. Everyone on here, if you're part of the first 1,000 subscribers and the first 1,000 wrenches. But you have to subscribe to get a wrench, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Only subscribers get wrenches, and wrenches must subscribe. We want as many people as we can. Got some music going on here. What we got here? A little dancing on the street corner here? Jamming. We'll go to that party. Wrench me up. Mark Nakata, if you've subscribed, you'll get a wrench. I'll have to go back. What I do is when I get done with the drives, I get to go through the list off the laptop, and there's where I can click some buttons and make it work. Or if we're doing the other one, I think it's the Prism, I can do moderators there. So if you haven't got your wrench, send me an email to the channel email, stevedennis2121@gmail.com. We're using that for both of them. This one also has a different email to it. We'll just combine them so it's a lot easier. Legendary Divas. We got to talk to one of them on an upcoming episode of April in Vegas. I won't tell you which one, but it's not Cher. I'm at 400 subs already. Wow, fantastic. Thank you all very much. 400. I guess I can't go that way. Thanks for cutting me off, brah. My fault, I wasn't ready to go anyway. 400, that's 40% of the way to 1,000. Between that and the view hours, we're gonna be middle of June. That would be great, because then when Braun gets here, if I hit 1,000, I have to do the showgirl thing, and Braun has to wear the birthday tiara, which I think will be spectacular, smashing. I brought my toolbox, but no wrenches. Gumby, no wrench. Time Zone Vegas, is it live streaming? Oh yeah, I'm sorry, Time Zone Vegas is a live streaming gold mine. Yes, it is. Jane M, sorry, 368, almost there. Oh, okay. Real Braun can have a hammer. Just subscribe and agree with the Loon Code of Ethics. That's right. Our policies are simple. No politics, no religion, no controversial stuff, no vax talk. You can be strongly believed in anything you want to be on any other channel you want to do it on, but not here. We just don't want to piss anybody off, because no matter what you believe, someone else believes something else, and you're totally within your rights to do that. You're not going to change anyone's opinion on this channel, and we don't want to deal with it. We don't get into the crypto, NFT, all that BS, invest in this, invest in that. However, if you all would have listened to me last week and bought AMC theaters after the Maverick opened this weekend, you'd be making money. When the stock market opens tomorrow, look for all theater stocks to skyrocket. In my opinion, I am not a licensed investment person. In fact, my track record on investing is horrible. It's hideous. It's beyond horrible. It's so bad, you should do exactly opposite what I say. However, I have my theory on this one. That's just, you know, it's just a thing, you know. Thunder down under. So we're on the side now where the planes take off on. So if we were here, we'd get to watch the underbelly of the airplanes come over us. Maybe later at nighttime we could do that. We've solved the case of the missing salsa lid. We've investigated the air traffic at the McCarran/Reed Airport. We did find several 607s, but no 707 as we hunted for 707 today. So many things getting done right here in Las Vegas Private Eye. Really welcome everybody here to the new channel, and if you have not seen our other channel, which is totally possible, it's Cash or Crash Las Vegas Live, and thousands of videos and live streams and hundreds of thousands of hours of viewing. I think over 1.2 million hours of viewing on that channel already. Really appreciate your support. The way you can support the channel that doesn't cost you a nickel, doesn't cost you a penny, doesn't cost you anything except maybe a little electricity to fire up your computer or your phone, is you check out any of our videos, our lives, our previous. Every time you come back and click on something, YouTube sees that you like our content. They put us in a better position. If you share it on your social media, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, whatever, every time you do that, we get another plus mark. Helps us out. And every time you view something, for the most part, it's a positive for the whole channel. This specific channel is non-monetized, so if you see any advertisement on these videos or on these lives, that's YouTube making money off of us, which is exactly why they've created their business, and we're fully in compliance with that. And after we hit a certain level, then we get to share in that. But you'll see brand new creators with 2 subscribers, and they have advertisement on their videos, and that's because YouTube uses the platform to make money. And so where we can participate in that is once we hit the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewing in a 1-year period, we get a share of all that. And it's fantastic. It helps defer costs. It helps pay for gasoline and food and cookies and donuts and pizza, the gambling, the driving, all that kind of stuff. Taking the missus to the casino so I can film it for everyone. You know, a little bit of everything. Plane right over the top of us, right here at UNLV. Coach, are you able to share your connections in Scottsdale? Are you talking about hotel connections?